Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And just last night I made a video about if you wanted to right click your mouse and copy and then open up another page. And if you had the other page zoomed in and you right clicked and pasted, let me zoom back in. If you right click and paste, it the person that was having the problem was it says it doesn't paste it. It's pasting it in the same spot. So I had two people comment last night off that video. So you could also use Control C to copy. So let's just make a square and Control C and then move that somewhere and then Control V and paste it. It'll paste it in that new spot. But I had two people and I never had really seen this before. And it is under Edit. Well, let me make something to copy and go to Edit right here, Paste in View. If you hit Control Shift V, so let's make a square way out here and let's go Control Shift V. It put it in the view, it's inside the frame, but if we wanted to, so I'm going to do it completely different. So let's select the item, right click, copy, and then let's open a new page up. And let's say if you were zoomed in on that second page and you wanted to paste it, if you hit Control Shift V, it will put it in the view of what you're looking at. Now it doesn't put it in any particular spot on the page. Let's try to even zoom in even more and Control Shift V. It's just going to put it within your view. I think it might even be putting it in the center of your view and not the center of the page. So I think that viewer, well, two of them suggested that. So Control Shift V to paste it in view, and then you can always Control C and Control V to paste. But you can also do it with your right mouse button. But you have to select an item to have that come up to paste it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.